As the police continues to investigate in the case that has led to Sushant Singh Rajput's unfortunate and untimely demise, they have called in his Dil Bechara co-star Sanjana Singhi for questioning. Apart from that, they're also looking into his contracts and financial commitments to understand where Sushant was professionally in his career. Now, जहां एक तरफ the police is investigating into the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, वहीं पर दूसरी तरफ television actor and host Shekhar Suman has revealed that Sushant had changed over 50 SIM cards in the days just before his death, alleging that he was being threatened. Here's the story.
मैंने एक मुहिम शुरू की है जिसका नाम है जस्टिस फॉर Sushant Forum.
The mystery and allegations around Sushant Singh Rajput's death are only deepening and becoming more bitter and murky. While medical investigations have also shown that there was no chemicals or poison in Sushant's body at the time of his passing, the police are continuing their investigation into the case.
इस सेंसिटिव केस को बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल तरीके से हैंडल कर रही है और आप पुलिस में विश्वास रखिए, जो सच है वो सबके सामने पुलिस लाएगी.
And recently questioned Sushant's last co-star Sanjana Sanghi about an alleged quarrel the two had. While Sanjana had clarified that there was no problem between her and Sushant and also added all reports of their tiff were just rumors.
Everyone who loves you is forever going to be grateful for the gift that you have left behind, which is the amazing work that you've done and the life that you've lived, and I just wish you'd never done this.
Actors like Shekhar Suman seem determined to keep raising questions and make disturbing allegations about the case.
बहुत लोगों ने कहा कि भी जाना सही नहीं है, पर मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ऐसे वक्त में ये सब नहीं देखा जाता.
Shekhar Suman, who visited Sushant's home in Patna and spent, in his own words, a quiet few minutes with Sushant's father, who Shekhar claims is still in shock. The TV host and actor, who has made declarations earlier about demanding a CBI inquiry into the case, held a press conference where he raised a number of questions and went to allege that Sushant was being threatened and that he suspected foul play in his death.
और मैंने एक मुहिम शुरू की है अपने आप ही सोशल मीडिया पर जिसका नाम है जस्टिस फॉर सुशांत फोरम. उसमें लाखों लोग जुड़ गए हैं.
Shekhar, who has even created a forum demanding justice for the late actor, made many controversial statements during his discussion with the press and even insinuated that the actor had not chosen to end his life.
हम सबकी एक यही मांग है कि जो हुआ है और जो दिखाई दे रहा है, जो आंखों को दिखाई दे रहा है, उससे कहीं कुछ ज्यादा प्रतीत होता है.
सोशल मीडिया पर सर्कुलेट हो रहे वीडियो क्लिप्स में शेखर सुमन ने कहा, There are many questions that crop up. और वो ये है कि जो लड़का रात को पार्टी कर रहा था, जो सुबह उठ के प्ले स्टेशन पे था, जो एक ग्लास जूस मांगता था, आके बैठता था, उसके मन में अचानक ऐसी क्या बात हुई? From the absence of a note to alleging that Sushant had changed 50 SIM cards before his demise, Shekhar raised queries that seem intended to create doubts around the police investigation. सीसीटीवी कैमरा से छेड़छाड़. उसने पिछले महीनों में करीब 50 सिम कार्ड्स चेंज किए. क्या वजह थी? सिम कार्ड आदमी क्यों चेंज करता है? सिम कार्ड आदमी तब चेंज करता है जब वो किसी को अवॉइड करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, किसी से बचने की कोशिश कर रहा हो, या जब कोई थ्रेट हो, जब कोई खौफ हो, तो वो सिम कार्ड चेंज किया जाता है. Though the police have asked people to wait for their investigation to be completed, Shekhar Suman Sushant के केस पर तरह-तरह के सवाल उठा रहे हैं. The unfortunate truth is that no one seems to have a clear picture or can have an accurate idea of what caused Sushant to take this extreme step. But the least we can do is to allow the right authorities to carry out a legal investigation and not hurt his family's sentiments further by discussing details that can only trigger pain.